Who sings that song? Is that Elvis?
I don't know. I don't think so.
It's an old song.
Yeah.
You guys are cooking dinner?
Ako, Diyos ko, sarap.
Champa. I'm going to get into my favorite
Ito
position.
talaga tayo. Talaga tayo mga baboy dito sa totoo. Baboy. May yakisoba pa ba? Yeah! Kasi magawan kita.
Left, right?
Okay. So much.
Go, right.
Gabi! Gusto mo rin?
Oh, sige, please. Thanks. Sige, kay Apple na lang. I'll cook egg.
Konti lang gusto ko niyan eh.
Sige.
Your hair smells good.
Parang lahat kayo nakaligo na, no?
Mabango ang buhok mo.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Hindi ko alam. Ako at si Mariel. Riza rin ata. Will. Maybe you can smell my hair from there.
It's looking like it's far. Ang layo, ha?
Hindi.
Yes? In Canada, I eat a lot of instant noodles. Actually, I do. Noon, ayoko na. Ayoko na!
Really? In Canada, you eat a lot of instant noodles?
Mr. Noodles.
Oh, mystery?
Mr. Noodles.
Oh, Mr. Noodles.
Yeah, instant noodles.
What is that?
Wala kayong instant noodles or Mr. Noodles sa States?
Nope. Cup of noodles. No.
Cup of noodles. It's almost synonymous with cup of noodles, but the packet.
Ah, okay. That's Canada's cup of noodles.
No, we have Mr. Noodles cup of noodles.
Oh.
And then the one in the packet, it's 35 cents, and you put it in the pan. It's really good.
Is it like ramen? You know that?
Yeah. It's
I loved
like
ramen noodles before. I don't think I've seen that here.
I think meron akong nakita sa palengke.
Oh, yeah? It says ramen?
Yeah. Or maybe I'm thinking of something else. Pero marami sa Canada.
Yeah.
Sa mga Koreano tindahan.
Yeah. Ramen. It's called ramen.
Do they have any Korean restaurants here?
Dami.
Talaga?
Sa Makati
Wala akong
meron.
nakita. Wala pa?
Yeah.
Wala pa
Makati
akong
Ave.
nakita.
Oh, yeah? Yeah, they have. I love kimchi.
Oh, okay.
I like it.
Kimchi.
Before I didn't like it.
I don't like it.
No, it's, I don't know. It's an acquired taste.
Yeah.
At first I didn't like it either. Maanghang at,
It tastes like yucky vegetables.
it's, you know, they have thousands of different types of kimchi.
Really?
Yeah.
It's pula, right?
Yeah.
Minsan?
Yeah, mostly, yeah. Laging kulay-pula.
Bulgogi.
Bulgogi.
You like bulgogi?
No? What is that?